Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Abache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Homes. So today, nasamahan nyo ko at i-update ko kayo sa construction ni Allegra Garden Place. Okay po. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel. Today naman, tara samahan nyo ako i-tour ko kayo sa discuss ko sa inyo sa project updates ko para kay Allegra Garden Place. Best Investments by Mitch Abache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Home. Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So, for today, for this video, ang i-update ko sa inyo is yung construction update natin para kay Allegra Garden Place. So, as of April 2025, nasa 94% completion na po si Allegra Garden Place. So, ito, kung makikita ninyo, dito sa side na to, this is Soraya Building. Okay, so, ano na siya, finish na actually yung buong building, nag-interior na lang sila dito. So hopefully yung scheduled for turnover natin by first week of August, kasi doon mag-start yan first week to second week of August mag-start na mag-turnover yung PMO natin para sa mga unit owners natin. So sana sana mag-start na sila on time yung mga turnovers natin para sa mga unit owner natin. Okay, so ayan, so for those sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, a quick information po about this project. So Allegra Garden Place is located along Pasig Boulevard, okay, in Barangay Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. Ngayon, kung nadadaan kayo sa Bagong Ilog flyover going to Market, makikita niyo yan sa right side, merong 5 buildings na nakatayo doon. Yung dalawang building na pinakamataas, that's Allegra Garden Place. Okay, so for this project, dalawang high-rise po siya that composed of 55 and 56 stories per each building. Okay, and dito ang kagandahan din dito, 12 elevators tayo per building. Okay, so hindi siya that accommodates up to maximum of 25 units per floor. So medyo medium density po tayo dito. And also for this project, we're offering a studio unit, a 1-bedroom unit, a 2-bedroom unit, and a 3-bedroom unit. So for this building, this is Amina building. This is the first building po. So here we still have an available na 1-bedroom unit and 2-bedroom unit. And sa 3-bedroom units, very limited na lang. Alam ko, paminsan may mga nagre-reopen. Although dito, sa second building natin, kay Soraya Building, dito may mga available pa. Again, limited din yung 3-bedroom units natin dito. Pero dito meron tayong studio na 30 to 34 square meters. May 1-bedroom tayo na 38 to 41 square meters. Okay, and a 2-bedroom unit na hanggang 60 square meters, 56 to 60 square meters. So, ayan. So for those who wanted to know more about this project, ayan, nandiyan yung numbers ko po. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, or pwede ko kayong dalhin dito sa project na to. Kasi right now, functioning na lahat. Makikita nyo naman, even yung natin, yung audio-visual room natin, okay na siya. Okay, yung mga pools natin, amenities natin, yung basketball court natin, okay na, nagagamit na lahat. So all in all po, na siya, nagwa-function na lahat ng amenities natin. Okay, so thank you very much for watching po. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube ay ma-notify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po, stay safe po, bye bye po.